Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. In the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go and give it a follow. Okay, so today is a candle wax reading, so I have two groups for you guys, and I'll be also using charm today. Okay, so the topic for today is, what is the universe trying you to see? Like, what is the message that the universe wants you to know? Like, what is the universe trying to convey to you? That is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I have two groups over here. Pick a candle. Like for group number 1, we have this yellow candle, and for group number 2 we have this blue one. So close your eyes, relax, and select a candle that calls to you intuitively, or a number 1 or 2 that calls to you. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in this description box. Take your time, let go of all the tension, and then select. Okay, so I'm gonna start with group number 1. So group number 1, if you have chosen this yellow candle, let's see what is the message from the universe. What is universe trying to make you see? What is the universe trying to tell you? That is going to be the topic for today. Okay, so I'm just going to play this one and then we will start. Okay, let's just cleanse the energy. Okay, so I'm going to start with charms and then we will do. Okay, so I'm just going to take your charms. So for group number 1, what is the universe trying to make them see? What is the universe trying to tell you, guys? Okay, so let's see for group number 1. Whoever have chosen the yellow candle, let's see what is the message. Hey archangels, hey angels, please come through and help me with this reading, and give me the messages that are for the highest good of pile number 1. Thank you, Spirit. Okay, I'm getting like some of you, you're seeing a lot of red color, or maybe it's your favorite color. I don't know. For some of you, if your favorite color is red, maybe this is a reading for you guys, or maybe you want to buy something related, like some color red or something like that. I don't know why I'm getting red. Or maybe it's like your root chakra. You need to work on your root chakra. Okay, we have this ring and we have a yes letter inside. So maybe commitment to, this can be a very specific message, like you need to commit to someone whose name starts with yes. Or maybe it's like just yes, commit to the things. Like commitment is important for you guys, like commitment to your devotion, commitment to your spirituality. That can be also the thing, like spiritual, it's time to commit to the spiritual activities, like waking up, chanting, or lighting a candle, or lighting a lamp. Like every day doing some spiritual practice is going to be very important to you guys, or maybe universe is trying to tell you to do that. Like when you're stressing a lot, maybe for some of you are committed to stress, right? Because I feel like, so universe is trying to tell you not to be committed to stress, instead commit to spirituality, right? To let go of the stress. Like when you wake up, if you're feeling very anxious, maybe have a routine like lighting a candle. Like starting your day with gratitude will give you a lot of it will be a very good help for you guys when we start our day with gratitude, when we see the things that we have, right? Sometimes what happens is, when we wake up, we only see the things we don't have in our life, right? So don't start your day with that. So I feel like universe is trying to tell you to start your day with gratitude, like looking around, seeing the good things in life, like seeing the things you have already manifested in your life, right? Sometimes we don't see, for example, when we don't value our eyes until we go blind, right? So that's the thing. So maybe you have someone in your life who you are taking for granted. Maybe give gratitude to them. Sometimes we do that, right? Sometimes we search for the things we don't have in our life, and we don't value the things we already have in our life. So maybe this is a message from a universe for you guys. They're trying to tell you to see the things you have already manifested in your life, right? So commit to spirituality, commit. And for some of you it's specific, commit to this person. Maybe this person loves you, this person is taking care of you, maybe you're not giving that much attention to them, maybe it's time to give. Or maybe it's a son of yours that he needs attention. Maybe your kids need more attention, you're not trying to give them that much attention. Maybe they're craving your attention, maybe they want to play with you, you don't have time, maybe you're stressing too much so you don't have the energy to play. So maybe you need to commit to spirituality. And we have, look, we have Krishna. Wow. And yes, I even feel like that, you know, that Krishna is looking, is protecting your family, they're protecting you. Maybe you pray to Krishna a lot, and yes, your prayers will be coming true. But before that, you need to commit to your spirituality, do a daily practice. If you're already committed, that is a very good thing, and give gratitude to the divine, okay? Because yes, your prayers are coming true. I feel like that Krishna is, maybe sometimes you will go through testing periods. Don't worry, don't give up. Yes, your prayers are, Krishna is protecting. I feel like a lot of protection for you guys here. Again, we have this also. So yes, there is like from four sides you're protected. Maybe you're worrying about your kids, whether they are protected or maybe they are far from you or something like that. So don't stress, because everyone is protected in your life, okay? So that's a thing I'm getting here. That is what universe is trying to show you, okay? And we have Krishna. Okay, we talk. And look, you need to fix this stress. I feel like the stress, anxiety, overthinking, that is the thing you need to fix in your life. Maybe go out and have fun, right? And we have this teapot, and with this teapot I'm feeling like you have a lot of wisdom, but you are only using the wisdom of a teapot. You have the wisdom of ocean, but you are only using the wisdom of teapot. Little bit wisdom only you're using. Maybe you give guidance to other people, when it comes to you, you don't take that guidance. So maybe you need to trust your own wisdom, okay? And with this teapot, it's like going out, having fun with your family members, having fun with your kids, having fun with your grandkids if you have, right? So I'm getting like, if you have a grandkids, spend time with them. It will be very relaxing. And of course, a good spiritual practice will help you. I feel like that, like chanting. Yeah, what works for you, do that, okay, every day. That will be a very, if you can make it a habit, if you can make it a routine, it will be very good for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you like painting, or maybe spend some quality time with your kids, like when they are drawing, you draw, both of you can draw and play, like, so it will be very relaxing. If you're an artist, paint the colors that you love. Don't paint someone else's favorite colors in your life. So if you have a, you know, for example, if you want something in your life, don't go with other people's opinion. If you love that, you know, for example, if you love a dress, buy it. Don't go with other people. You know, sometimes what they feel beautiful is not what you feel beautiful, right? So it's different. Everyone has different choices, different way of seeing things. So so choose the colors you love, okay? I'm getting that also. And look, we have flowers. We have 2 flowers. So flowers, maybe for some of you, you are offering flowers to Krishna or something like that. So he's very happy with that, I feel like. Or maybe you're offering flowers to your ancestors. I feel like they are very happy with it. Or for some of you, it's like flowers, you want to do something with flowers. Or maybe when you smell roses, when you are in your garden, you feel very relaxed. Maybe that can be your spiritual practice, like going out, smelling roses, smelling the flowers, planting new plants. That can be also a routine, right? Talking to plants, that will also help you. I feel like connecting to nature, talking to plants can also be a spiritual practice, right? That will help you. But with these flowers, a lot of happiness, a lot of playfulness. Maybe you need to you need to find more joy in your life. Find the things that you love to do, like painting, like gardening. If you love it, do it, okay? That's something I'm getting here for you guys, okay? But a lot of love and happiness is coming your way. And then look, again we have love. Yeah, love of fairies, love of angels, like moon. Maybe for some of you, you need to look at moon at the night, and you might get some messages, okay? Like, yeah, go out, have fun. And with grapes, was also talking about abundance, lot of fruits, coming your way, your hard work is paying off, will pay off, definitely it will pay off. Okay, yeah, maybe for some of you it's like playing time, like football, right? So if you love football, go and play football. If you love to play cricket, go out and play cricket. If you love to I love to ride a bicycle, go. Yeah, just do some physical activity. Like whenever you're stressing, instead of stressing, do some physical activity. Go for a run, go for a walk with your kids or with someone who you love. Okay, if you don't have anyone, if you feel like no one will come, just go alone. Ask for guidance from angels whenever you're feeling stressed and move forward. Okay. Oh, here we have Bitey. I feel like YouTube. Maybe for some of you are planning to start a YouTube channel and you're stressing whether you should start it or just start it. Do something that makes you happy. Maybe you have a creative space. Maybe you're artist. Maybe you want to show your art to other people. Go forward. Do it. If you have already a YouTube channel, keep doing the work, putting the effort. Sometimes there will be times when you feel like giving up, when the things will not be the way you want, but here Krishna is saying that your devotion will be blessed. If you're devoted to something, if you keep on working on that without sometimes our faith is like, oh my god, what if it doesn't work out? Our faith gets shaken, right? So if you have this art of faith, then things will move for you guys. And then we have a bee, and I'm getting a baby for some of you. So yeah, a son or a daughter, you need to spend some quality time with someone. And I'm saying bye also, like a chapter is ending, a new chapter is beginning for you. Or maybe you're saying some maybe in your job someone is going away, you're saying that goodbyes to someone, like that also I'm getting, like someone is doing farewell, like someone is going out of your life, I'm getting, like, but this is a goodbye, like you're happy that they are moving on with their life. They are like someone who is getting a raise in their job, and so they're going to a different place, so you're happy for them. So be happy, don't stress. Like good things are like for some of you're very happy for someone like maybe for some of you it's your son who is going to a different place for a job, so you're very happy. At the same time, you're a little bit stressed off about them, so don't stress. Give your blessings, they're good, they're going good. Okay, a lot of love and happiness is coming your way. Okay, so let's start with this reading. So I'm gonna pour the water, so relax guys. Okay, so let's see what is your message for group number 1. Let's see. Be confident guys, be confident in yourself. If you're publishing new videos, if you're doing something new, if you're trying something new, be confident about it. Okay, what is it universe trying to see, make you see? Something is round and round, like some cycle is repeating itself. So maybe they're trying to tell you to get out of that cycle, to say no to certain thing. Maybe a habit of yours, like you try to quit that habit and then you again go with that habit. So it's time to cut that. Maybe it's a person, like you say no to this person, then you end this relationship, and then you again, this person comes back and asks for your forgiveness, and then you again and make them they will come into your life again. So maybe this needs to stop, the cycle needs to stop. You need to make a decision whether you want, maybe this person is not good for you guys, but you are like listening to them, you're forgiving them, again they are doing the same mistake. So maybe it's time to cut them. Or maybe it's a habit of yours that you need to cut. You promise yourself that I'll not do this again, and then you do it again. So maybe it's time to cut that. And that's what I feel like universe is trying to tell you. It's time to get rid of that habit. there's going to be a lot of speaking communication, I feel, for you guys. Maybe you're receiving a lot of email, or maybe work related, you might receive a lot of emails. For some of you, if you are looking for a job, I feel like you will be getting a little you will be having some appointments like for interviews and all. That is also I'm getting. So be confident. I'm seeing a money bag, so maybe for some of you, you're receiving certain money and you will be very happy. Maybe it's maybe your son gets their first salary and they give you some money. So like that I'm getting, like you will be very happy for them. At the same time, when they're giving you something, you will be very happy. So happily receive it, okay? I'm seeing a lot of flowers again, like a lot of flowers. Maybe you're doing something with flowers. Maybe you draw flowers or you paint flowers. Just keep on doing that. You're very good at it. And with this flowers also, love and happiness is coming your way. A lot of love and happiness. Okay, I'm getting red color also. Maybe you're very interested. You're trying to draw something red or something like that, or maybe you want to buy something red color. Go for it. Maybe you want to buy a sofa or a couch that is red color, and people are like, no, don't do that. It is not good. Just go with it, you know. Just like with this crayon, like the things that you want in your life, right? The things that make you happy, go with it. Like paint your life with your favorite colors. And interestingly, we have this yellow, and again we have a yellow candle. So like, be confident in yourself, do it anyways. Sometimes people will not like it, it doesn't matter. Do something that you love, okay? Yeah, there is like someone is upset with something. Like maybe if you're a couple, you're upset with your spouse, because I see like two people turning their back and like very upset. Okay, so maybe you need to communicate with them. Okay, don't. Sometimes what happens in a relationship is we don't communicate properly. There is a communication gap, and because of that communication gap, we misunderstand, right? A lot of things is like will become confusing. So instead of getting to that point, speak up, say what you need. Like sometimes we as females, I feel like we do it a lot. We get angry over something and we don't say it. We like, let them know that, you know, we wait till it and they don't even realize it, right? So it's better to speak up, because I feel like I have done that and it doesn't work. It never works. I feel like it's better to communicate your thoughts. They will not understand. I feel like that. Maybe you're intuitive, but they will not get that. So it's important you speak up, okay? So there's no use of like getting angry and not talking with each other. It will not resolve anything, okay? So it's better you speak up. That's what Krishna is saying. I feel like Krishna, if you are devotees of Krishna, Krishna's presence is very much in your life. I'm getting that also. And Krishna is assisting you in your journey, okay? That's a specific message for some of you. Okay, some of you are you planning to buy a teddy bear or something to give someone? Just go for it. They will love it, okay? Maybe you want to buy something for your kids. They will love it. It's like family is very important to you guys, and maybe you're praying something for your family and it's coming true, guys. Don't worry. Be confident. Or maybe you're trying to decorate your home and the universe is telling, go with the details that you want. Like if you want blue curtains, go buy blue curtains. If you want red curtains, go buy red curtains, right? If you want a red couch. So instead of asking other people's opinion and what they love, just ask your spouse's opinion and make a decision. Instead of fighting for that, make a decision, get into a conclusion and then select, okay? That's the thing. Maybe you're fighting because of it, because they have different preferences, you have different preferences, and maybe that's why. So it's important to communicate, open up, okay? Okay, for some of you, I feel like co-workers also, maybe some of your co-workers are not understanding you. It's okay. It's okay. You just do your work, okay? Don't focus too much on them. That is also there. And if someone is trying to steal your idea, make sure that to tell everyone that it is your idea. Speak up, okay? That is also important. Communication, okay? Again, for some of you are planning to get a tattoo. I get like that. I feel like that. It's a very big tattoo for some of you. Okay, so yeah, go for it, but think before, like don't do because someone if you're planning a tattoo, do something that that you will love. Like before getting someone's name, think, okay, you, if you want to get that person's name or not. I don't know why, maybe you will regret that later. So for some of you, think before you take get a tattoo. Okay, that's a specific message. Again, things are going to overflow for you guys, like abundance is going to overflow. We have grapes also, so go out and have fun, spend money, spend some money. You don't have to think too much about your, don't fear money, okay? Just money is an energy, you will receive it, so don't be fearful about it, okay? There is, I'm getting like overflow. Maybe for some of you, you're using paints, like paint is like flowing, so maybe there is some homework, housework you're doing, like you're painting your house, like yeah, I'm getting like paint. Or maybe you're an artist, you're using a lot of paints. Just keep on working. Okay, I'm getting like yeah, don't share your ideas, okay? So if you're planning to do something, share your ideas with the ones you trust. Don't share with someone who you don't trust, or just don't say about your private details, okay? If you're newly married or something like that, don't share your intimate details with everyone. That's coming. Okay, something with your hair. Maybe you're trying to grow your hair and it's happening, don't worry. Let's see. Some farms, maybe you're planning to do some farms, or you have a farm where there are chickens and all. So it's going to grow, your farm will give you abundance, like yeah. I'm getting a Barbie doll for some of you. Maybe you want to yeah, Barbie doll, like buying something for your kids. Go for it. They will be very happy. Or maybe it's a gift that there is a birthday coming up and you are planning what you need to buy. So maybe go with a Barbie if you feel that if you feel like buying a Barbie for them, Barbie doll or a soft toy, go for it, okay? And again, I can see a teapot, like yes, you're going somewhere, you're having fun with someone, like you're enjoying a time together. That is also something I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you, if you're going to different people's home, like if your neighbor calls you, go there and look at their home, like see what they have done to your home. If you get some inspiration, if you want, take the inspiration, and if you want, you can do that in your home also. If you're decorating your home, or if you're decorating your space, that's what I'm getting, like getting inspiration from different people, or maybe going out, seeing different places, or seeing the browsing and all. You will get a lot of inspiration. So yeah, something related with house is coming true for you guys. If you have been praying that, it will come out, it will be okay. So don't get upset over little things. So talk, speak up. That's what I'm getting. And have a break also. Don't try to do overwork. As someone with specs, I'm getting, maybe someone with specs here who is like they speak without even thinking, they say stupid things sometimes. Don't take that seriously, okay? So there is someone around you, maybe this can be a person who is older than you, they might speak without thinking, and it might hurt you. So don't take it so seriously, okay? Sometimes we need to ignore certain things, right, in our life. So it's better you ignore that things, like take only what is good for you, don't take what is not good for you. I'm getting like car also. Maybe some of you are trying to buy a car. So yeah, yeah, don't get into arguments. Yeah, sometimes I really feel for you guys. There is someone around who is like they say something without even thinking. So then don't take that too much onto you, because they are just they don't think sometimes, okay? So it's just let them go. Don't take them very seriously, okay? Sometimes it hurts, I know, but but you don't have to take it. That is what universe is trying to tell you. And again, we have this one now, so it's like you're decorating your home, doing rebuilding things, right? So yeah, do it, it will be okay. Maybe a child is sending you money to redecorate your home. Take that money and do that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I'm getting here. And yeah, that's what I'm getting for you guys. That is what universe trying to tell you. Okay, bye bye, take care, group number 1. So group number 2, if you have chosen this blue candle, let's see what is universe trying to tell you. What is the messages from universe for my group number 2? Let's check that. So I'm going to start with charms and then we will do that. Okay, so I'm going to start. Today is a candle wax and a charm reading. So yeah, let's see what is the universe trying to tell you. Okay, I'm getting this week is going to be very lucky for you guys, maybe because of the signs also, like the planets. Because of that, I'm getting like this week is going to be very, very lucky for you guys. So make use of this week. Like if you are doing some work, make use of it. Like in relationship also it is good, doing something for studies, for your education purposes, for jobs and all. I feel like this week is going to be lucky for you guys, like from till October 20. I feel like it's a good these are good days. I felt like telling you that. So yeah, so let's see what is the message for you guys. So let's take the charms for you. So group number 2, what is the universe trying to tell you? And I'm getting Mercury retrograde is happening right now. So so yeah, communication and all issues might be there. So don't get frustrated while sending emails. Double check. Okay, so maybe with technology also, electronics, you might have a little bit of difficulties sometimes. So it's okay. Just don't get too frustrated. I'm getting. Okay, let's see. Okay. Wow, look, we have communication again, like microphone. I'm getting this communication thing. So maybe there is a lot of communication happening for you guys, and a self-expression also, I feel like. Interestingly, what happened, we got this ring in group number 1 also, and there was a yes. S letter. Now you have a U letter and this ring again. So committing to yourself is important, right? Universe is telling, commit to yourself, commit to your desires, because this week is going to be very, very lucky. So do the things that you want to do. Okay, express yourself, say your needs. Like don't sometimes we don't say our needs, so we need to express. So if you want like something in your life from someone, yeah, you're not giving me that much love, I want you to do this work, I want you to help me with this, like express, commit to yourself, commit to self-love. Okay, that is something I'm seeing for you guys here. That is what I'm seeing. Okay, look, yeah, again we have Om. So Om mantra is going to be very important to you guys. So if whenever you're feeling stressed, use Om mantra, it will relax you guys. And I feel like clairvoyance for some of you, it's like third eye chakra, and interestingly we have this specs also. So maybe for some of you it's time to connect, it's time to, I feel like you know that you have this gift of clairvoyance. Maybe you need to trust your clairvoyance abilities. Sometimes we don't trust it, so maybe it's time. It's universe is trying to tell you that you're seeing it very clearly. The truth is out. You're seeing it very clearly. So trust it. Sometimes we don't trust our intuition, because intuition doesn't gives us explanation, right? It's just a vision you're seeing, and so it's like it's important you trust your visions. You trust your creative ideas, because this is the good time to do that thing that you have been seeing for yourself. Like if you have been having a vision, if you're an artist, just example, like you have a vision, you have an idea, go with that idea, take that idea and work on that idea, express yourself. It's like it's the time to express expressions. If you want to make some communication, it's time to do that, right? I'm getting that also for you guys. Okay, then yeah, fixing something again. Interestingly, we got like that also for in the group number 1 also. So maybe with this, it's like tightening up. So maybe you have some skills, it's time to, with the skills also, clairvoyance, maybe meditate, expand, expand your clairvoyance abilities, like work on your clairvoyance abilities, like meditating, Yeah, that's something I'm getting for you guys. You need to work on yourself, change the habits that are not good for you, working on yourself, committing to yourself, committing to meditation, commit to exercises, commit to eating healthy, commit to expressing yourself. Okay, sometimes when I feel like you have problems with expressing your needs. Maybe it's time to, maybe if you want a pay raise, it's time to speak to your boss. Instead you think, oh my god, I cannot say this, I'm very fearful. Instead of that, speak up. Whatever the outcome may be, speak up, at least say it out. Okay, that's what I'm getting here of you guys. Yeah, again we have self-love. Self-love is very important for you guys this week. I feel like universe is telling you to love me. Yeah, so you don't need to seek things outside of you. Everything is inside of you, right? So first you need to love yourself, take care of yourself, express your own needs, maybe express your needs to the divine, set your desires, set your intention, right? That is also I'm getting here. This is the week to do that, setting your intention, writing your wishes on a paper, and sending into the universe, like scripting. Do that. It's time to do that. It's time to love yourself. It's time to have a spiritual bath. Like if you have that privilege of a bathtub or something like that, just get in there, relax, light a candle. Okay, if you don't have, just have a bath, just like listen to songs if you can, and just dance. Right, that will be very good for you guys, I feel like. Okay, so universe is trying to tell you to chill, I feel like, and express yourself without fear. Okay, yeah, you're very strong people, you're very courageous people, so keep on moving forward. I feel like with this hippopotamus, rhino, it's a rhino. Okay, with this, what I'm getting is like you are very strong people. You have in the past you have faced a lot of adversity, but now you are here, so you can do it in the future also. So you're very strong people. Okay, eat healthy vegetables. You're taking care of yourself. Okay, I'm getting like sexual energy also for you guys, so that this week that will also be very passionate, very nice and all. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. I feel like for some, how to say this, like I feel like some of you have certain desires, sexual desires. I'm getting that is also coming true for some of you, like okay, I'm not going to go deeper into that, but yeah, I'm getting that also. So yeah, so let's see. Yeah, we have like a lot of antenna wisdom, a lot of wisdom you have, a lot of knowledge you're getting. Look through, you have clairvoyance ability, so you're getting a lot of wisdom. Your dream state also, you're getting a lot of wisdom. So yeah, so we have H, K. Okay, maybe this is a clue for some of you. F and L. Okay, so express yourself, creatively express yourself. If you have certain needs, like sexual needs, speak to your partner, express that also. So yeah, that's very important this week. Okay, and I feel like your needs will be met when you express it. So let's see. So let's see, just relax. Let's see what is the message for you guys. What is the universe trying to tell you? Group number 2. For group number 2, interestingly, you have this blue candle, and we got the clairvoyance ability, that third eye chakra. So yeah, I feel like this is the best time to like expand your gifts, like clairvoyance abilities I'm getting here. So meditate, guys, work on it. Listen to third eye meditation. It will help you like balance that third eye chakra. You're getting a lot of info. So maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you will be waking very, very, very tired. Because your dream state, during your sleep you will have a lot of dreams, so you will be very exhausted when you wake up. So yeah, so maybe a lot of messages you will be receiving, so it will be very exhausting for some of you. So maybe it's good that you cleanse your energy and eat healthy. Exercise also is good for you guys at this time. Okay, I feel like that you this is the week to get inside, like connect with your inner self, connect with your inner child. I'm getting, you know, what you're doing is like you're doing this inner child healing. You're getting I feel for some of you don't even know that you're doing that, but definitely I feel like you're letting go of your past completely. That inner child healing is happening. You're connecting to your inner child, you're connecting to your innocence, right? That is something I'm getting here. I'm seeing a rose right now, so maybe for some of you it's like rose, it's like pleasure. This week is all about pleasure, getting the pleasure, like sexual pleasure for some of you. Maybe in a work you get your desires are coming true, so you're getting like that pleasure. Maybe for some of you, you're getting flowers, so you're feeling very good about it, you know, you're getting that happiness from inside. Okay, for some of you it's like you're connecting with your inner self, and because of it you're feeling very good, right? When we connect to inner self, we are not looking out for things, we are not running for the materialistic things in our life. So I feel like you're connecting with yourself, you're making a connection with yourself, like a lot of spiritual progress is what I'm getting for you guys. Okay, and I even feel like you're making a connection with your body, you're loving yourself, your body parts, you know, you're loving everything about yourself. Maybe in the past you had problem accepting your body. Sometimes we have, like, we think, oh my god, my body is not that shape, because we see so much on social media, we see that body, that body, so we feel like we are not good enough, our body is not good enough. But what I'm getting is like you are understanding that you are beautiful the way you are, and you're accepting it. A lot of acceptance is what I'm seeing for you guys. You're accepting yourself as a whole. You're not trying to be someone else. So that is the energy I'm getting for you guys, and you're doing good, I'm getting here. So universe is trying to tell you, yeah, you're beautiful the way you are, and yes, you are doing that. I'm getting for some of you, you need to do that mirror work. Okay, that is coming for you guys. I'm getting like for some of you, you might feel like things are getting apart, like things are becoming apart, even though outside the outside feels like apart, but your inside is like very calm. You're happy because you know that things will be okay in the end, because you have that faith. Okay, I feel like you have been walking with the crowd for so long. Now you are doing something different. You're not ready to go with the crowd, you're doing something different right now, I feel like. So go, it's okay to go alone. Sometimes it's okay, everything is possible when you are alone. So maybe for some of you, you have this idea, this vision, there might be people who will not support that vision. It's okay to go alone, because I feel that will be good for you guys, and that's what universe is trying to tell you that. Okay, so with this clairvoyance abilities, you're seeing very clearly, you know the truth. So maybe for some of you, it's like walking away from a person. You know that this person is not good for you. Maybe there will be people who will not support you, but eventually they will support you. So it's time to not follow the crowd. It's time to get away from the crowd and go alone. Sometimes go solo, it's okay. You are protected, you are safe, you are supported. Okay, that is something I'm getting here. Definitely I'm getting that you're making a connection with your inner self, and you're not too much into the outer things, like materialistic things. You're not running for the money or car or fame, anything. You are making connection with yourself. Your inner harmony, that is what I'm getting, like balancing your energies. You're focusing more on that. And I even feel like that for some of you might find some friends who have that same energy, like they love meditation. Maybe you love meditation. Okay, maybe you love meditation, and people around you are not so into that, and maybe you want to share the different things that you see, like the signs, numbers, but the people around you are not so like they laugh at you or something like that. So you don't have a soul tribe that you can speak, these things. And I feel like that is what you're attracting, and universe is trying to tell you that your friends are coming, your soul tribe is coming. You're manifesting your soul tribe. A soulmate relationship also I can see for some of you. It can be a friend, it can be a lover, but definitely that is happening for you guys. Okay, and I even feel like that, you know, you're becoming very attractive, you're glowing, you're like, people are like, I feel like you will be attracting a lot of people. People will be like, wow, you're looking so good, like, and there will be a lot of people looking at you. I'm getting that also. And with these eyes also, like, people are like looking at you, you are the center of the attention, even though you don't want to be that. You don't want to be, I know that, but you are, because you're glowing from inside, you're balancing your energies, right? So if you encounter some problems or some obstacles, remember they are temporary. It's like clouds. The clouds will go and the sun is going to shine. Okay, so don't let these temporary problems take you. Okay, you have that wisdom. I'm getting steps, like ladder, climbing the ladder. Like once you're on the second step, now you're going to be third, fourth. You're going good. You're moving forward. That is what universe trying to tell you. I'm getting some of you are learning like using the techniques of Neville Goddard. So keep on doing that. Maybe. Yeah, some exercises of is maybe for some of you using that exercises, like, yeah, you're working on that law of assumptions, you're imagining. If you're doing that, you're doing good. Keep on doing it. Yes, your wishes will be fulfilled. Keep on imagining, guys. Keep on imagining. And yes, you're good at imagination also with these two. That is what I'm getting. Like maybe for some of you working on that exercise, or maybe it's a message from a universe to read his books, Neville Goddard books, that will help you to manifest the desires. Okay, that will help you in your life. Okay, I'm seeing a womb. So it's like someone is like going to conceive. Yeah, definitely. It's like it's embryo. I'm seeing an embryo, I have to say that. So it's like the starting stages. So be careful, because I feel like this is the time where you are very fertile. So if you don't want to get pregnant, so it's just it's like universe is trying to tell you that be careful if you don't want it. But if you, I'm literally seeing a embryo. So yeah, something, or for some of you it's a project that is in the starting stage. It is going to grow. Nurture it, water it. And if you want to get pregnant, definitely this will happen. Or in your family member, someone is getting pregnant. Some good news, definitely. I feel like, because I saw this embryo. I'm seeing a frog. So hop away from negative people, negative environment, the environment that is not good for you. If you are pregnant, definitely, if you're in an environment where people are not taking care of you, or if they are not giving you that positivity, maybe it's time to go to, if it's possible, just move away from them. Okay, don't stay there. It's like express. At that time, you need to express yourself. Okay. If you're pregnant, stay at a place where it's very positive, where you are happy, where you can eat good food. Okay, take care of yourself. Okay, and that's when we don't express ourselves. Or if you feel like, oh my god, I don't have any way, just give that desire to universe for a safe place. Universe is with you. They're trying to tell you that. Imagine a place, you know, when imagine that you are in a safe place. Imagination is the key. I feel like that's why Neville Goddard came out here very strongly. For some of you, if you don't know about him, research, guys. There are a lot of YouTube videos about him, about his lessons. So go and check that. Okay. There is a snake. Okay, for some of you there is a person who is not so good, maybe showing two faces, and I feel like you will know about this person very clearly, because you are very clairvoyant. Things are going to be very clear. Truth is coming out. They will not be able to hide anymore. Okay. Okay, make wise choices, guys. When you're dating, when you're getting into dating, make wise choices. I'm seeing a child who is crawling, right? Maybe you're waiting a child to crawl or something like that. It is happening. Wow, that's beautiful. And don't worry about your child. They're very safe. They're in the safe hands. Universe is trying to tell you that. For some of you, you are already a mother and you're worrying about your child. Don't worry. They will be okay. Like, it's like I'm seeing a Mother Earth Gaia pregnant lady, like Mother Earth Gaia. Mother Earth Gaia is with you. Like, you're very connected with nature. Some of you don't even know that you're connected. You're like very connected to her, okay? You're very grounded. Or maybe you need to do some grounding exercises. I feel like it. It's like a beautiful family I'm seeing. For some of you, your due date is near. Yeah, everything will be okay. Don't stress, guys. Okay, take care of yourself. Like, lot of fertility. This week I'm getting a lot of fertility, a lot of creative ideas, a lot of work in progress. Work is going to be progressing for you guys. A lot of creative ideas. Take note of that, okay? I just felt like for group number 2, I'm just like, I didn't do this for group number 1, but I don't know why, but for group number 2 I'm just feeling like taking some more chance. Okay, yeah, lot of peace is coming your way. Yeah, a lot of peaceful times, lot of good luck. Ganesh Bhagwan, like Ganesh, Lord Ganesh is also with you, taking care. The hurdles, roadblocks are removed. Okay, yeah, music. Yeah, meditation music for some of you if you're into music. Yeah, we have a mic and we have music. For some of you, you create music, right? So trust your own creation, and if you want to, if you're singers, sing with joy, happiness. And for others, it's like through music you might receive a lot of messages, or maybe someone will sing for you. Yeah, look, a lot of love, motherly love I'm getting. Lot of love, lot of motherly love, lot of fatherly love. For some of you, parents love, fathers, you are the mothers who are loving your kids, taking care of your kids. And yeah, you're very intelligent people. For some of you don't know that you're very intelligent, you feel like you're not intelligent. That's not true. Universe is trying to tell you that you're very intelligent. You can see things what other cannot see, right? You're very aware, your consciousness is very high, okay? So you cannot, some of you are like, oh, I'm not that intelligent, I don't have that much, oh, I'm not that brave. No, you are very brave, you're very intelligent. And maybe for some of you, yeah, you're very into this spooky things, or maybe you're watching a lot of crime related things at night. Maybe it's time to, if you're watching too much, cut on it, okay? Don't watch too much. I'm getting like you watch a lot of horror movies, like a lot of crime movies or something like that. You're too much into that, and at night you are not able to sleep properly because of it. So it's time to cut back on it, okay? And yeah, I'm getting with this death card also. So it's like endings of a major transformation for you guys. Like becoming a mother is a major transformation. Like yeah, for some of you that is there. So it's like a creative thing, like a small thing is becoming big. You're ending some toxic cycles, moving forward, okay? But the only thing I'm getting is like you need to, whenever you're meeting new people, always use your discernment. Always yeah, whenever you're getting an opportunity, always trust how you're feeling. Trust that, okay? Because you're clairvoyant, many of you can see that. Even if you don't know, you know it intuitively. So trust that intuition, okay? That's the thing I feel like universe is trying to tell you, okay? So that's it. Bye bye, take care.